Hey, what's going on everybody? In this video, we are going to be talking about string slicing. And if you're new to strings and slicing, then this can be a little confusing. So stay with it, guys. We can get through this together. Do you need help advancing your coding skills? Check out my new program, Code Breakthrough. Code Breakthrough offers hands-on learning with Python and data structures, algorithms, and interview challenges. With a supportive community and regular new content, Code Breakthrough will help you get hired or advance your career. For a limited time launch special, use the link in the description to get 20% off your subscription. See you there. So it's similar to indexes. So you can see here we have this 5 here, which grabs the character with the index 5. The first character starts at 0, so that's actually going to grab the space here. So to count that off, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that 5th jump was the space. Slicing is a little bit different because it's more versatile. You can use slicing to grab one particular character, but you can also use it to grab a range of characters from a string. And this concept is known as a substring. So other programming languages might have a substring function, but in Python, we are going to be using slicing. So how do we actually do that? Well, it actually follows the same syntax. So instead of putting a 5 just in here, we could put a 5 and then a colon. And running this, you can see it says am I. And it's prefixed with a space because it starts at the index that we throw in here, which is the space character. So doing this actually grabs everything all the way to the end, starting with that space. Now, if you want to go from the beginning to a particular character, like let's say we want to go up to that space, then we would take the 5 and we put it on the right of the colon. Now, watch here. When we do this, we get where, and it's not easy to see here because of my choice of character. So let's back it up one. Let's go to 4. And when we do this, it cuts off the E. So the index on this side of the colon, well, this is exclusive, so it does not include that character. So what is that index for? Let's find out. W is index 0, H is index 1, E is index 2, R is index 3, and then that last E is index 4. And you can tell that because that's exactly where we stopped in this string down here. So that's interesting because when we put the number on the left side, if we throw in a 2 here and run this, the 2 is inclusive. So 0, 1, 2, it starts right here. So when the number is on the left of the colon, it is inclusive. When the number is on the right, it is exclusive. So the next video and the video after that is going to just be some variations of slicing because it can get a little bit more complicated, but one step at a time, right? So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one.